Hi, this is the LG G7 Fin, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So if you want to add here some options or remove some of the available options, or just to change the positions of the icons, you should click here to this edit icon, and to remove some of the options from your panel, you should just hold the icon and drag it here to this down section. To add some options to your panel, you should just hold the icon and drag it to the up. To reset the changes, or let's just change the positions of the icons on the panel, we should just hold and drag it. If you want to reset the changes, you could switch also here the brightness, screen sharing, fast sharing, a checkbox, you could just tap on them. To save the changes, tap to OK, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.